Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Weed Wacker is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn and garden, offering a powerful and convenient solution to tame unruly grass and weeds that traditional mowers can't reach, ultimately transforming your outdoor space into a neat and tidy sanctuary with minimal effort. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Combo Kit. Effortlessly maintain your yard with this lightweight and quiet combo kit. It includes a string trimmer and an extra battery, perfect for tackling larger areas. Our automatic line feed system ensures a continuous supply of trimmer line. This means your tool operates smoothly without interruption, keeping you on task. Switching from trimming to edging is a breeze. Convert it to a wheeled edger for precise borders, all powered by the same convenient battery. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, the trimmer is incredibly easy to maneuver. Enjoy comfortable, extended use without fatigue. Customize your experience with adjustable height and handle options. Achieve personalized comfort and control for any user. The leaf blower unit is also lightweight, weighing just 3.7 pounds. It provides easy handling for clearing debris efficiently. Enjoy peaceful yard maintenance with its low noise design. This allows for quiet operation, considerate of any neighborhood. What we like. This one offers incredible versatility, handling trimming, edging, and sweeping all in one package. If you have a larger yard and need to tackle multiple tasks without switching tools, this is your best bet. Its dual battery system ensures you won't run out of power mid-job, making it ideal for extended yard work sessions. What people say. This Weed Wacker is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less of a chore. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge, which is more than enough for my needs. It's surprisingly powerful for a battery-powered model, easily cutting through thick weeds and grass. Number 4. Worx WG154 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Why buy two tools when one will do? This 2-in-1 tool combines a string trimmer and a lawn edger, saving you time, money, and valuable garage space. Switching between trimming and edging is effortless. Simply pull the head away from the shaft and rotate it 180 degrees for the function you need. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and compact. This makes it easy for anyone to handle, even during extended yard work. It features an automatic line feed system that starts up with the tool. This means you can get to work right away without any complicated extra steps. The adjustable spacer guard is designed to protect your flowers, decorations, and other delicate areas. Trim your lawn with confidence, knowing your plants are safe. It's part of a versatile system that uses the same battery across over 75 different tools. Enjoy expandable power for all your lifestyle and garden needs. This package includes the 20V string trimmer and lawn edger, a 20V max lithium battery, a trimmer spool, a 20V battery charger, and a safety guard. What we like. This tool is designed for simplicity and efficiency, combining trimming and edging seamlessly. If you're looking for a user-friendly option that protects your delicate plants while you work, this is a great choice. Its expandable battery system also means you can grow your tool collection without buying new batteries. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 45 minutes on a single charge, which is more than enough for my entire yard. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable to use at different heights. The cutting power is excellent. It tackles thick weeds and overgrown grass with ease, leaving a clean cut every time. Number 3. Ego Power Plus ST1502 SA String Trimmer. Tackle tough weeds and grass with ease. Its professional-grade cutting line and wide swath ensure a clean cut every time. Experience longer run times and reduced vibrations thanks to the high-efficiency brushless motor. It's designed for extended durability and performance. Changing the cutting line is a breeze with the rapid reload head. Simply align the arrows, insert the line, and twist for a quick reload. Adapt to any task with variable speed control. This feature allows you to adjust the power for different working situations, giving you optimal control. The fan-cooled charging system ensures your battery and charger stay cool. Get a full charge in just 50 minutes with the included 2.5Ah battery. Harness incredible power and performance with our industry-leading ARC lithium technology. This battery is compatible with all EGO tools. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. This tool is built to last and backed by our commitment to quality. What we like. Experience professional-grade cutting power with its robust 56V system and advanced dual-feed spiral twist line. If you demand top performance and durability for tackling tough weeds and grass, this is the one to consider. The rapid reload head makes line changes a breeze, and a long warranty offers peace of mind. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 minutes on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. The cutting power is surprisingly strong for a battery-powered model, handling thick weeds effectively. Number 2. Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer. Experience efficient trimming with its 12-inch cutting path and dual line. It delivers clean, consistent results for grass and light weeds around your lawn and sidewalks. Our auto feed line system advances the cutting line automatically during operation. This eliminates the need for bumping and ensures smooth, uninterrupted trimming. Adjust the power to match your task with the variable speed trigger. Enjoy precise control for edging and extra power when you need it most. Its well-balanced, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. This lightweight tool reduces user fatigue, perfect for routine yard maintenance. Enjoy added confidence with our 3-year limited warranty. It covers both the tool and the battery, offering long-term reliability. What we like. This trimmer provides efficient and consistent cutting with its 12-inch dual-line path and variable speed control. If you need precise control for detailed edging and reliable performance for everyday lawn maintenance, this is an excellent option. The extended warranty adds significant value and confidence in its longevity. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 45 minutes on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The string replacement system is simple and tool-free, making maintenance a breeze. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer, LST300. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer. It's designed to make yard work faster and easier. With its 2-in-1 design, you can switch from trimming to edging in seconds. The POWR transmission ensures consistent power for a clean cut every time. Forget about bumping to feed the line. The automatic feed spool takes care of that for you, so you can focus on the task. Enjoy a quieter yard work experience. It starts easily and delivers great results without the mess and hassle of gas-powered alternatives. Designed for your comfort, it features a lightweight build with an adjustable handle and height. This provides maximum control for precise trimming and edging. This cordless trimmer comes with a 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery for extended runtime. Plus, a wall-mountable charging base keeps it ready to go. What we like. This model offers a powerful and comfortable trimming experience with its POWR transmission for faster work. If you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-handle tool that minimizes user fatigue and delivers great cutting results, this is a strong contender. Its 2-in-1 functionality makes it a practical choice for maintaining clean lawn edges. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 45 minutes on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The cutting power is surprisingly strong for a battery-powered model, handling thick weeds with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.